Okay, a couple more things here. So the best advice is not to, let's say you whip through and you finish your exam and you've got plenty of time left, and obviously you want to improve. You want to go through, you want to check, you want to make sure that you correct anything that might be awkwardly worded. Now, to add, and this is easier with a digital exam. Don't add more paragraphs, add to your existing paragraphs. Okay, we sort of talk about going deeper rather than wider, or deeper, not further. You're writing a lot about a little. You're thinking about the things that you've already talked about. And just adding to those descriptions, to that analysis. The markers are not looking for length as such. Yes, you can write too little, but if you're writing at an achieved level, if you've got 7, 8, 9 achieved paragraphs, it just makes a really annoyingly long achieved level essay. So add more analysis to your existing paragraphs is the advice there. Now let's have a quick look at writing conclusions. And we're not to be writing a shopping list of points that you've made in your essay, or a simplistic sort of copy of your introduction where you sort of restate your argument and say, this in this essay I've shown that. That can be part of your conclusion, but you need to capture the marker's attention. And I've got a bit of a sentence that you can use here, a couple of sentences. So The Things They Carry by Tim O'Brien is an extremely powerful work of literature. And this is what I talked about earlier, showing your appreciation for the crafting here. The way in which O'Brien uses, and this is where you can drop in some of the points that you've already made. Nothing new here. Techniques, effects, narrative helps to give this novel its power. And then you can lead into something perceptive or something analytical, like the most significant insight. Now, when you start giving value judgments there, that helps to propel your essay into the higher bracket of marking. Even that human condition, but that should probably be in blue there. Okay, it doesn't have to be the human condition. It could be something completely different depending on what you've written earlier in your essay.